9/11. Taking the time to remember September 11th. It is now September 11th, 2012. We honor those who have lost their lives helping others on 9/11 and those who are innocent who died. And anyway, our hearts still break to this day every time 9/11 rolls around. Let's take a look here at the markets. Dow up 69 points, logging its highest close since December 2007. Up 0.5%. The S&P up 0.3%. Nasdaq up barely. Russell's up 0.3%. After hour markets mix to bearish. Banks up 0.4%. VIX though up. So volatility index is higher. That means the fear indicator has risen. Gold up 0.36%. Silver up about the same. U.S. oil up 0.73%. And the U.S. dollar off by a whopping 0.77%. Really helping bolster the markets as a whole. And to be quite frank, gang, anytime you buy before the Fed speaks, you're usually rewarded, so it doesn't surprise me to see a little pop today. I really thought, though, we'd have more of a sell-off. We started off bullish. I thought we'd sell off a little more than what we did today, but, you know, that's how we started off. But we have a really good chance of upside potential going into tomorrow. What's interesting here is we did not have a sell-off. We did not drop, not yet at least. So this is relatively pretty strong. So that's something to pay special attention to. If you look here at the NASDAQ didn't do so well. But check this out. It's at a support level. Support, 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 and support. Again, we did not hit the upper resistance level, so it shows relative weakness. We are going into a rising wedge, and if I were to draw another trend line going from here to here, you can see that this wedge is getting pinched. So this is problematic unless we can rally and shoot to new highs. It really needs to do that fairly soon. Anyway, I'll be heading to the BWCA, that's the Boundary Waters canoe area, for the next week for a little R&R. And Mark will be taking over and doing some videos for us and some V newsletters, the stock picks. So thank you, Mark, ahead of time. And with that, I'm going to leave you with the video.
I was homesick from school. I was a junior in high school. My mom woke me up and said, "You probably ought to come see this because the plane is at the World Trade Center."
A manager rushed into the classroom and said, "Turn on the television." We turned on the television and we just couldn't believe it. It was really, really shocking.
I remember sitting in my classroom watching the news and seeing the planes go into the towers.
It was more just an accident. You know, it was actually a threat involved.
It was unnerving for me because I didn't even know what was going on. You know, just looking, it was happening so fast.
Just being in shock, can't believe something like that happened in the United States.
It was just nuts. Everything changed in a heartbeat.